doing? It's Jay here. I just wanted to show these two crystal lion head pieces that I found. And I'll tell you why I think they're lion heads, and I'll show you how this one is a form of rock art that depicts other things in it as well. But I'll start off by showing the basic form of these. If you can picture this being the eye, and this being the mouth, and this being the nose, and this being the ear back here. Some of you might already see the snake on the head with the forked tail, and forked tongue, sorry. His head would be here, the snake's head, and then the forked tongue is right down in here. There's the snake's eye at the tip of my thumb. And on this side is a bird figure, similar to an ibis, or maybe if the eye is up there, it may have been something else like a vulture or a condor or something. It's very ergonomic to the hand, in the left hand. You can see the back of it. This is the bottom of it. So this is the eye, nose, and the mouth. I flip it over so you can see where the mouth and the nose and the eye would be on the other side. And then that bird's beak coming down, maybe even from the side, bird's face right there. And there could be some other images in there as well. But I want to show you the two human faces of people. There's one here, the eye, the nose, the mouth, even a jawline in this piece, and the head. Move that around a little bit. And then when I turn it around, now we're going to be looking at left side profiles on this side. You'll start to see a person's face there, an eye, nose, and mouth. And you tip it like this. And you get another eye, nose, and mouth, the head and the hair going back, or helmet, or headdress. Got this guy, the guy on the bottom, woman, I don't know. And then this one over here, looks more like a skull. Maybe, maybe not. first found it, I saw it like this, as it maybe a bird, like this the eye, and this the beak here. You have the crystals form that spot there. That was the snake's head and body curling around on top of the lion head with the forked tongue right here. But I thought initially it looked like a bird's beak with an eye, and then that's his feathers on the back of his head. But I don't think that's what it's meant to look like. It may be also, coincidentally, or intentionally, slightly intentionally, but I think they were really focusing on this main image. This one here is similar. This one is quartz. This one, I believe, is feldspar. A nice white, bluish feldspar. Should probably keep this one out of the light. There's the eye, it's the nose, it's the mouth. Sometimes you can see whiskers on this guy. Sometimes I think there's teeth in the whiskers. This one, the carvings are a lot smaller. And as you can see, that the carvings and the eye smaller and the features are smaller. And this could possibly be a snake going up like this, and then a bird's head and beak up here. I'll see if I can get that into focus. It's going to be a smaller, not micro carving, but it's on a smaller scale. And I'm not getting that bird to pop out like I want him to. The snake is a little easier to see. It kind of flows with the brow of the lion. Starting back here by the ear. So yeah, I just wanted to go over those few pieces. Something to do with isolism, or diffusionism, not diffusion, diffusism. That's a fun word to say, huh? I sound like a true scholar. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.